Hey little learners, Namaskar everyone. Welcome back to your PA2 revision videos. This is Dishita ma'am and today we are going to revise the writing portion, writing and grammar section B, in which we are going to do the writing portion today. Please take out page number 4 and let's get started. And today's topic is writing, expressing emotions and character description. I'll be explaining you how you need to write this. Expressing emotions. In this, the emojis are given to you and you have to tell that which emoji is this, and then you need to tell me that which emoji it is, and then you need to write a sentence related to it. Alright? See, as for example, the first one is happy face. Yes, little learner, it's a happy emoji, or you can say smiley emoji, smiley face as well. In this, what you have to do is, we express different emotion in different situation, correct? Yes. So you need to write sentence for each of the following feelings. The first is, you need to write it like this. It is a happy emotion or smiley face. Then you need to write a sentence like I had given you here the example. I feel happy when my sister give me sweets. If you want to write any other sentence here instead of this, you can write it down. Write it. It is a happy happy emotion emotion, or smiley face smiling, smiling face. And the sentence for this is, I feel happy when my sister give me sweets. Done, little learners? Now let's see what's next. The next emotion is sad. Is it sad? No, it's a crying emoji. Very good. It is a crying emotion. And the sentence for this is, when someone scold me, जब मुझे कोई डांटता है, I always started crying. Write it down. It is a crying, cry, cry, then ing, crying emotion. And the sentence for it is, when some, one, someone scold me, I always started crying. Now let's come to character description. Please turn the page. Come to page number 5. Come to character description. Page number 5. See, this kind of box is given to you in page number 5. Let's give this boy a name first, because no name is written over here. So let us give a name to this boy. I had given Ram. And then what we need to do is write few sentences to describe the above character. Here there are so many adjective words. There are so many words given to us like confident, witty, practical, reliable, optimistic, selfless, logical, enthusiastic. we need to select few of the words from this, and then on the basis of that words we need to write sentence like this. Alright, so let's start doing. Please underline confident, courageous, independent, trustworthy, humble, sincere, forgiving. And now let's write the sentence. The first sentence here is, he is Ram. First we need to introduce this boy. So we will write, he is Ram. He is very confident and courageous. Simply we need to write the sentences by using these words. Alright? Come on. Now let's see the second one. Ram is independent. He always do his work by himself and never depend on anyone for anything. Here we are giving reason as well. If you want to give reason, like why he is independent, you can also write it down like this. He always do his work by himself and never depend on anyone for anything. इसका मतलब है वो अपने सारे काम खुद से ही करता है, वो किसी और पे डिपेंड नहीं होता अपने काम के लिए. Now let us move forward and let's read. Just for now we are just reading the sentences. I'll definitely give you the time to write it out. He is very trustworthy. All his friends share their secrets to him. Also, he is humble, forgiving, and sincere. Now, let's write it out. He is Ram. He is very confident and courageous. Ram is independent. He always do his work by himself and never depend on anyone for anything. Or you can write it down, and never depend on anyone for his work. Now let's move forward. He is very trustworthy. All his friends share their secrets to him. Also, he is humble, forgiving, and sincere. Everyone, work is done. Write and read. You need to read the sentence and then you need to write it out. If you want to make any of the changes in this sentence, you can do. If you want to write the sentence by your own, or if you want to choose any other options from this, you can choose it out and write it out. But don't forget to use that word in this sentences. Whichever word you select from the box, you have to use it in your sentence. Alright, now let's see what is there in page number 6. Come to page number 6. Jack. there is a boy named Jack. And see, there they had written, circle the words that describe the character. They had given us so many describing words here, like happy, friendly, angry, beautiful, clever, caring, handsome, evil, rude, smart, moody, helpful, honest, ugly, kind, wicked, nasty, scary, cross, shy, mean, pretty, humble, sly, polite, grumpy, calm, ferocious, unkind, fierce and bold. लिटिल लर्नर्स, आपको क्या करना है, इसमें से कोई भी वर्ड सिलेक्ट करने हैं, कोई भी आपको फ्यू सेंटेंस लिखने हैं, तो आप 5 या 6 वर्ड इसमें से सिलेक्ट कर लो जो भी इस कैरेक्टर को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए सुटेबल हो, एंड उसके बेसिस पे आपको सेंटेंस लिखने हैं. दिस जैक वाला कैरेक्टर डिस्क्रिप्शन इज योर होमवर्क. ऑलराइट, तो ये आपका होमवर्क है. एंड इफ यू फेस एनी ऑफ द डिफिकल्टी while writing sentences, or if you face any difficulty in character description or in any other topic, feel free to ask me. I'm always there to help you. Till then, that's all for today. See you all tomorrow with grammar portion. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you and namaskar.